Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to create clickable thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see, so they play a crucial role in attracting clicks and views. Let's dive right in. The first step is to choose an engaging image that clearly represents the content of your video. Make sure the image is high quality and eye-catching to grab the viewer's attention. You want to pique their curiosity and make them want to click on your video. Next, consider adding text overlay to your thumbnail. The text should be concise, easy to read, and directly related to the video's topic. Use a bold, easy-to-read font that stands out against the background. The text should complement the image and provide additional context to entice viewers. Now, it's time to use color strategically. Choose colors that pop and create contrast to make your thumbnail stand out. Consider incorporating your brand colors to increase recognition and consistency across your channel. Remember, you want your thumbnail to be visually appealing and memorable. Once you have your image, text, and colors in place, make sure everything is well balanced and not too cluttered. Keep in mind that thumbnails are often viewed on smaller screens, so simplicity is key. Avoid overcrowding the thumbnail with too much information. Less is often more when it comes to creating effective thumbnails. Lastly, save your thumbnail in the recommended size of 1280 by 720 pixels to ensure it displays clearly across all devices. You can use online tools or graphic design software to create and customize your thumbnails. Experiment with different designs and layouts to see what resonates best with your audience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create captivating thumbnails that drive clicks and boost your video's performance. Remember, thumbnails are a powerful tool for increasing your video's visibility on YouTube. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.